Hi, there's a link to the back road today with a 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan, stock number 7356, transfer 6 2016 to the 2nd 2024. There's a CZPA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CZPA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, front bonnet, left-hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left-hand tail light, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lip, automatic gear shifter, either AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,